Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1349 and 1375 State Route 104 in Ontario.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity with approximately 150 acres for exceptional development. So let's take a tour.
Don't miss this opportunity for one of the last remaining large parcels of land. Bordering State Route 104, Ontario Centre Road, and Slocum Road, 1349 has approximately 107 acres, while 1375 has approximately 43 acres, for a total of 150 acres.
These sizable properties have multiple access points, with the main one off of Route 104, Ontario Centre Road, and Slocum Road.
This is the ideal property for potential commercial, mixed-use, or residential development, with easy access to Rochester and all of Monroe County. Could you imagine developing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1349 and 1375 State Route 104 in Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide. Cheers to doing business here!